Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a thriving kitchen garden right in your own home. Growing plants in your kitchen is not only convenient, but also adds a touch of greenery and freshness to your culinary space. You don't need a green thumb or a large space to get started. Let's dive into the steps of creating your own kitchen garden. Materials needed: pots or containers with drainage holes, potting soil or a suitable growing medium, seeds or seedlings of your desired plants, watering can or spray bottle, natural light or grow lights, if available, fertilizer, optional. Instructions: assess your kitchen space. Determine the available space in your kitchen where you can place your plants. It could be a windowsill, countertop, or even a dedicated shelf. Consider the amount of natural light the area receives, as this will determine the types of plants you can grow. Select the right plants. Choose plants that are suitable for indoor gardening and thrive in the available light conditions of your kitchen. Some popular options include herbs like basil, mint, parsley, and thyme, as well as leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale. You can also grow small vegetables like cherry tomatoes or peppers, or even dwarf fruit trees if you have enough space. Choose appropriate containers. Select pots or containers with drainage holes to ensure proper water drainage. Make sure the containers are large enough to accommodate the plant's root system and allow for growth. You can use traditional pots, recycled containers, or even hanging baskets depending on your kitchen space and preference. Prepare the growing medium. Fill your containers with a high-quality potting soil or a suitable growing medium. This provides essential nutrients and good drainage for your plants. If desired, you can add organic fertilizer to enrich the soil. Plant your seeds or seedlings. Follow the instructions on your seed packets or nursery-bought seedlings. Make small holes in the soil and place the seeds or seedlings in them. Gently cover them with soil and lightly pat it down. Provide proper care. Place your containers in the designated kitchen area where they can receive sufficient natural light. Water the plants as per their specific needs, ensuring that the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. You can use a watering can or a spray bottle to water delicate seedlings. Monitor the plants regularly for any signs of pests or diseases and take appropriate action. Harvest and enjoy. As your plants grow, regularly harvest the leaves, herbs, or vegetables to use in your cooking. This will encourage further growth and ensure a fresh supply of ingredients for your kitchen creations. Congratulations! You've successfully created your own kitchen garden and embarked on a rewarding journey of growing plants right in your kitchen. Remember to provide proper care, monitor their progress, and enjoy the fruits of your labor as you incorporate fresh herbs and greens into your cooking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.